Kind of hard when you're 3-0 to do much nitpicking, but I mean, when you sit here and you look at what they're getting, the production they're getting out of these starting four draft picks, incredible, really, isn't it?
Yeah, and everybody's complaining at first because they weren't using Dexter McCluster very much except on kick returns, and all of a sudden they put him back in. You're looking at Tony Moeaki here. The thing you don't know about Moeaki, he's a heck of a blocker, Jack. One of the reasons the run game's going so well is because of Tony Moeaki. If they keep him healthy,
and so far he's fine, right?
He's been terrific so far.
McCluster, I want to see him get the ball more, though. I really do. I think he's got only 4 carries and 5 catches.
Come on now, we complain at Charles doesn't get the ball up. We start giving it to McCluster, people are going to go through the roof. Are you kidding me?
Look at this. How can you not give this kid the ball? He is electric. He really is. And
he's a fun guy to watch.
Yeah, he really is. And let's take a look at the wide receivers because, I mean, Moeaki's been the target, I believe, Frank, 19 times. He has 12 catches. Nobody close to that. Look at Boal. Boal's got 7 catches. Chambers 5.
He's the guy you go to, Jack, when you can't get to anybody else. And Boal and Chambers are being picked up on the outside. They're the veteran guys. They're the guys the defense knows most about. The guy they don't think is going to hurt him that badly is Moeaki, and he's really been coming through with it.